Look at this 7-piece wooden spoon set that I received from Bloke. And this is perfect for non-stick cookware because you don't want to scratch up your non-stick cookware, right? And look how nice this is. You get all 7 of these pieces, from the tongs to slotted spoons to flipper spoons, as well as wooden spoons and spatulas too. Let me show you a close-up of all you're going to receive. All these spoons measure approximately 11.8 inches, and they also have a hole so you can easily hang it up as well. And this is the solid spoon. And this one is the slotted spoon. And this one is the fork spoon. And this is a single serve spatula. And this is so you can measure a single serving of your favorite spaghetti. And this is a slotted spatula. And this is the turner spatula so you can easily turn items over. And all of them are also engraved by saying block too. And this is the bamboo tongs. And very easy to use. How cool is that? This is such a nice set, and I absolutely love how easy they are to clean. All you need is some soap and water and a sponge. Simple as that. And it's great for your non-stick cookware. Definitely recommend this. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.